Good evening, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Mason Sikes at the University of Georgia, here to bring you your North Georgia forecast. So, for the home of the dogs here in Athens, Georgia, we are looking at 49 degrees with a feels like a 49, calm conditions for winds, and as you guys can see in the background around me, we have pretty cloudy skies. Let's compare that to tonight, however, and see how that's going to fare over the past few days. So tonight we are looking at conditions of around 33 degrees with partly cloudy skies and winds of around 4 miles per hour. This is a little bit different, however, from the last few nights where we have below freezing temperatures, so we are seeing a bit of an uptrend. Let's take a look at tomorrow morning and see how that's going to fare. Tomorrow morning we are looking at a frost advisory in all of these counties here in Georgia. So Canton, Blairsville, Madison, Atlanta, Athens, all of us are in this frost advisory. This means that from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow, you guys might see a little bit of frost on your plants, crops, and cars. So this means you guys might have to wake up a little bit earlier and then check and see if your car is a little bit frosted up and possibly thawed out. So let's take a look for tomorrow's forecast. Tomorrow we are looking at 67 degrees with mostly sunny skies and winds of around 6 miles per hour. That wind's going to increase, but so is the weather. This is going to keep going up until Friday, where we are expecting, as you guys can see in our beautiful graphic, the first day of spring. The first day of spring is on March 20th at 10:46 a.m., so mark your calendars because we are hoping from that point onwards that we are looking at temperatures well above freezing, and we're only hoping for that, but you guys know how Georgia weather is. It likes to be extra fun, and we are hoping for that fun spring weather to start rolling in as well. So for our 7-day forecast, let's take a look at what's going on. Thursday, we are looking at 67 with a low of 29, with Friday, our first day of spring, being 75 with a low of 51. As you guys can see, after Friday, we are looking at temperatures well above freezing, with Saturday and Sunday having low 80s and lows in the mid 50s. I'm student meteorologist Mason Sikes at the University of Georgia, and go Dogs.